Question number 2 of exercise 1.5. Simplify each of the following expressions. Students, in this question, we are given some expressions. We have to simplify it. First is, in first bracket, 3 plus square root 3. In second bracket, 2 plus square root 2. We all know how to simplify the brackets, how to open the brackets and how to simplify. Let us start doing it. First of all, we have 3 in first bracket. What will we do? This 3 will multiply with both numbers in the second bracket. So first, we'll multiply this 3 with 2. So how shall we write it as? We will write 3 multiplied with 2. And this will put it in the bracket. Now again, this 3 will multiply with square root 2. Now it is plus square root 2, which means now we will keep plus sign in between. And what will we write? 3 multiplied with square root 2. This will also be in the bracket. Now this square root 3 we have to multiply with 2. Now we have plus sign in front of square root 3. So here we will write plus square root 3 multiplied with 2. This will also be in the bracket. Now this square root 3 will multiply with this square root 2. Here we have plus. Here also we have plus. So what to write here? Plus sign. Square root 3 multiplied with square root 2. Bracket complete. Let us find the products. 3 into 2, 6 plus 3 into square root 2. So it will be written as 3 square root 2 because it is product of a rational and an irrational number, right? Now next, plus square root 3, an irrational number, 2, a rational number. So it will be 2 square root 3 plus product of two irrational numbers. Both are irrational. What it will be? Both are in square root. So answer will be in terms of square root. 3 multiplied with 2, 6. So square root 6. Now we will arrange it and we'll write. How? 6 plus, this will write first 2 square root 3 plus 3 square root 2 and then square root 6. So this is answer for first. Second is, in first bracket 3 plus square root 3, in second bracket 3 minus square root 3. This you can perform by opening the brackets. But we will do another method which is easy. We all have learned factors and identities, in which one we learned if in first bracket we have a plus b, second bracket if we have a minus b, it can be written as a square minus b square. This we have learned, right? So if we compare this both, it is similar. So we will use this for performing simplification. What is a for given value? A is 3. So we will write here a is 3. What is b? B is square root 3. So now we can write 3 plus square root 3, 3 minus square root 3 can be written as a square minus b square. Okay. What is a here? A is 3. What to write? A square. So we will write 3 square minus b square. B is what? Square root 3. So we will write square root 3 square. Now we know what is 3 square? It is 9 minus square root 3 square. That is 3. 9 minus 3 is 6. So it is answer for second. Next is square root 5 plus square root 2 whole square. We have learned an identity that if it is a plus b whole square, that is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here we have bracket similar to a plus b whole square. So we will use this identity. What is a here? What is b here? Let us compare this two and find. A is what? Square root 5. What is b? B is square root 2. Therefore, square root 5 plus square root 2 whole square can be written as a square. What is a here? Square root 5. So we'll write square root 5 square plus 2 into a into b. So we'll write 2 into a. A is square root 5. B is square root 2 plus b square. B is what? Square root 2 square. Right? Next step will be square root 5 square is 5 plus 2 multiplied with square root 5 and square root 2. This both are irrational numbers, right? So in the square root 5 multiplied with 2, what it will be? It will be 10. So we will write square root of 10 plus square root 2 square, that is 2. Now again the next step will be what? See here, 5 is a rational number, 2 is a rational number. We can add them both. So 5 plus 2 equals to what? It is 7 plus 2 square root 10. So 7 plus 2 square root 10 is answer for third. Number 4 is in the bracket square root 5 minus square root 2. In the second bracket we have square root 5 plus square root 2. Again we'll do it with identity. A plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. If we compare this two, here we have square root 5 minus square root 2 in the first bracket. Here we have a minus b. Square root 5 plus square root 2, we have a plus b. So it will be written as a square minus b square. What is a here? A is equal to square root 5. What is b? B is equal to square root of 2. Therefore, in first bracket square root 5 minus square root 2, in second bracket square root 5 plus square root 2 will be written as a square. A is square root 5, so square root 5 square minus b square, that is square root 2, so square root 2 square. Right? Square root 5 square is what? 5 minus square root 2 square is 2 and 5 minus 2 is 3. So answer for fourth is 3. Here we completed question number 2.